to ensure that the vaccine meets the strictest internationally recognized standards of safety, quality, and effectiveness. Thanks to the fantastic work of Kate Bingham and the Vaccines Task Force, we've purchased more than 350 million doses of 7 different vaccine candidates. And the UK was the first country in the world to pre-order supplies of this Pfizer vaccine, securing 40 million doses. Through our winter plan, the NHS has been preparing for the biggest programme of mass vaccination in the history of the UK, and that's going to begin next week. And in line with the advice of the Independent Joint Committee on Vaccination and Immunisation, the first phase will include care home residents, health and care staff, the elderly, and those who are clinically extremely vulnerable. But there are immense logistical challenges. The virus has got to be stored at minus 70 degrees. Each person needs 2 injections 3 weeks apart. So it will inevitably take some months before all the most vulnerable are protected, long, cold months. So it's all the more vital that as we celebrate this scientific achievement, we're not carried away with over-optimism or fall into the naive belief that the struggle is over. It's not. We've got to stick to our winter plan, a comprehensive programme to suppress the virus, protect the NHS and the vulnerable, keep education and the economy going, and use treatments, testing and vaccines to enable us to return to much closer to normal by the spring.
What we need now is for people to get on that train and travel safely to their destinations. Those destinations are all over the UK. This train is going to stop several times on the way. It's going to have to reach all parts of the UK. There will be trains that come behind it, and that is all going to take time. So everyone needs to be delighted with the news today, but equally patient and realistic about how this rolls out over the next few months. And now some serious science points. Number 1, we have 1 authorised vaccine, but we need more. We're very hopeful we will get some more, but it is still possible that some of the ones in development will fall by the wayside, and you have to be prepared for that. We then need assured supply, and that is a big and difficult ask for manufacturers, and it won't all come at once, and it may stop and start a bit at times. We just have to manage that as best we can as it happens. Number 3, we need people to take it. This vaccine isn't going to help you if you don't take it. And you will need 2 doses of this vaccine and most of the others to have full protection. Watching others take it and hoping that this will then protect you isn't going to work necessarily. We don't know if this vaccine will prevent transmission or any of them. We have to wait for the science to tell us if it will prevent transmission, though we are very hopeful on that point. We also have to be patient to see the real live effects on transmission and hospitalizations and deaths. And until we see that as scientists, we can't then scope what the likely impact is going to be on bringing this pandemic to an early end.